Wow, wow, wow. A four-figure income on a Saturday while enjoying precious time with her kids. This one-day income is more than what she used to earn in an entire week as an accountant. This is the story of Anu. She started this business in May 2023 while working full-time, juggling a demanding job, family time. She didn't have experience. She wasn't tech savvy. She started from total zero. But she had two very powerful tools, the mindset and very clear goals. So fast forward 11 months later, she quit her job and she haven't looked back since. And today, for her, this isn't just a business, it's her passion, and a passion that changed her life completely. And just imagine earning in one day what she used to make in an entire week. If you are like her back then, or if you want something like this, but you are thinking, will this business work for me? Can I do this without experience? I'm too busy, so how will I manage? Let me tell you. I was there, she was there once where you are too. But if your dreams are bigger than your doubts, then you shouldn't let the fear hold you back. And follow on a story. This business works for anyone that is willing to take the leap. You don't need prior experience. We have a top-notch training that teach you step by step everything that you need to do, both technical and to run your business. We have one-on-one mentoring and coaching support and an amazing community that will cheer you on every step of the way. So stop overthinking, stop doubting, take action today. Your future self will thank you for. And learn from Coach Anu.